Car manufacturers often use a speed limiter for safety reasons. Such a restriction was imposed, among others, on the second-generation Fiat Doblo. It could accelerate to a maximum of 110 km per hour. The task was to disable the lock completely. Do you want to see how and with what device to do it? We invite you to a movie. The Atomis workshop is well equipped, so we took SeCons FiCOM from the shelf, a device created for this brand, also available in our stores. We take the device to our Doblo. There is an OBD input from the bottom. We put it in. Now connect the device to the laptop using a USB cable. We run the FiCOM program. Press Select Control Unit. We choose the vehicle brand, Fiat. Then the model, Doblo. Ours was manufactured in 2017, so we select this range and click Go. We enter the ECM and the programmer begins to connect with the ECU. In Expert Functions, select ECU Programming/Coding. See how many options there are to choose from. Find and select the Speed Limits option. Remember that the engine must be turned off. We have various restriction settings to choose from. We also have no speed limit, and that's exactly what we were supposed to do, so we select it and press Continue. After literally a few seconds, we receive information that the coding has been successfully completed. Time to check it out. Success! Now the car can go as far as its power allows. Thank you for watching. Welcome to our workshop on various types of coding.